Okay, Dishan, shall we start now?
Yes.
National symbols of India. National flag.
Tiranga.
National anthem.
Janaganamana.
National calendar.
Shagakenda.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National fruit.
Mango.
National river.
Ivan Ganga.
National animal.
Raya Bengal Tiger.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National bird.
Peacock.
National currency.
Indian pig.
National reptile.
King Cobra.
National heritage animal.
Elephant.
National flower.
Lotus.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National sports.
Orchid.
Very good, Dishan. Thank you.